This is a demonstration of the SUNBIRD Quick Connect system. Firstly, install your straining wire. Secondly, attach your illumination cable. And thirdly, attach your lights. We provide a SUNBIRD crimping tool. The crimping tool allows for installation of any of the three lights. There's a magnetic insert that fits in. If you're using the 5 or the 10 watt light, the light basically fits, the heat sinks fit into these grooves. If you're using the 3 watt light, then you keep the spacer inserted and you adjust to the smallest hole. To insert the light itself, take part A. All the lights include part A. Clip it into place. Make sure it's seated nicely. Put the light into position. Make sure that the support cable is lined up and crimp into place. As easy as that.